Hi guys, this is my review about the Walker's Game Ear Low Profile Folding Muff in black. It's about almost $12 with Amazon Prime, and it's available since quite some time. Doesn't change the price, and yes, it says it's ANSI 3.19 rated, ultra lightweight and compact folding design, and so on and so on. So I bought this about 1 year ago. We start actually with the packaging. It's the packaging: Walker's Pro Low Profile Passive Folding Muffs. Here we have probably some details, not so much additionally. Here we have one description or specification. It's 31 decibel noise reduction with ANSI, what's that, S12.42 physical method, OSHA adjusted, and here we have only 22 decibel noise reduction with ANSI standard rear ear method. I don't know what that really means, but if you're a pro, you know probably more about this. Maybe this will help you. Here's some more information about the company if you need any support, website and phone number, and here's some more specifications. Hope I can get this to the picture. It's a little bit difficult, so I have to adjust the camera. Okay, not much more. Again, the 22 decibel noise reduction. Probably this one is more important than the 31. So anyway, this is the muff, the ear protection. It looks like this inside, so it has a nice cushion here, as you can see, very soft. Also inside here as well, some cushion on the head, but the whole thing is quite small. I have to tell you, there are no different sizes, so it's just one size fits all, or fits more or less all. Here there's one more thing: made in Taiwan. If you're interested to know, even when it's a US company, it's made in Taiwan. It's rather small based on my experience. My head is probably a large. I usually, when I buy helmets and such things, I buy large, so I'm having some difficulties to wear this for a longer time. I mean, I can do it. You can extend or expand here, not on the top. You can expand it here, so when you can pull it down, and also of course to the other side. So you can see folded, it's like this, and then you can, for smaller head it's this, and then for larger head it goes like this. Okay, so it works somehow, but you have to really push out for larger head. For smaller heads it's a little bit less push, but not much less. So they have a really strong, really tight fit. Sorry, they have a really tight fit. That's actually not bad. I mean, they don't drop during whatever you do. You can make whatever you want. If you go for I don't know, shooting outside and you have to crunch or jump and whatever, they won't drop, they won't fall off your head, but they are really tight. So if you plan to buy this for your weekly lawn mowing, and you have a big lawn and you have to do it for 2 hours every week, it's maybe a little bit long. Maybe it's comfortable for half an hour, maybe an hour, but 2 hours, I've tried it for 2 hours, it was a little bit long. I mean, I managed to keep them on, but yeah, I was really happy to put them off after 2 hours. Regarding the noise reduction, it's quite good. I mean, at least for lawn mowing, it was definitely more than enough, even when I was wearing glasses. So because it's really soft, there's no problem with glasses. Sometimes when I was yeah, looking around to the other side, sometimes I had the feeling that it was maybe a little bit of the sound coming in, so it was not perfect with glasses, but probably it will never be perfect with any kind of ear protection or something like this. So but really it's not bad. I have heard or seen in some reviews, some people have been complaining a little bit about when they were using it for shooting range inside. Most people told or wrote that shooting range outside is no problem, shooting range inside, it's yeah, maybe you should consider maybe a better one. I mean, this is $12, that's the low yeah, value or low price line of the walkers. They have better ones, they go up until, I don't know, can't remember, $30, $40, $50, and of course they will have better protection anyway, but no different sizes, unfortunately. But maybe the more expensive ones will have maybe more options to adjust. So they yeah, do they work? Yeah, definitely. I mean, except for maybe indoor shooting range, they will really work, but you definitely have to think about maybe spend a few more dollars if you're wearing them really frequent, maybe every week for a couple of hours. Then you have to maybe think about spending a few more dollars to have a little bit more comfort. So yeah, that's about it from my side. If you have any questions, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.